This is a geyser and how it repair and what are the faults. Let's see. This is a thermostator. It is controlling the geyser. After heating it is cut off, and that is an element inside the geyser, and this is a geyser of 15 liters. You can see here also. If you want to the full video, I will explain you how to check the element, this thermostat and the wiring. This is a cut off, how it be. I will, if you subscribe and channel me, then I will tell you.